Hey everybody, this is Dr. Thunder. I'm here with Gary Sugal's Super Gonz 2, and this is a 3D printed mouthpiece. It's carbon fiber. This particular one is an 8-star, and I think this is a great playing mouthpiece. I'm going to play a little bit so you can hear it. It's a little bit different than some of the other mouthpieces that I've played from Gary. The chamber is a little bit different. It's got like a squared off chamber, which is interesting and kind of does a little bit of a different thing. It's still very free blowing. And I dig it. I dig it. So here, let me play a little bit for you.